Hello and happy 4th of July, and this is a Redneck Southern Boys arsenal of fireworks, all from Firework City in Helfin, Alabama, first exit off of I-20. And look at that monster right over there, Berserker. It's supposed to be a whole lot better than Excalibur and a whole lot louder. Excalibur is a with Berserker it's like and I like big booms. Of course, you got the famous water rockets, the M1000s, M60s, M150s, and one of the loudest M5000s. You got some decent looking firecrackers and smoke bombs. I shot a couple. I've already lit up a couple. I'll give you a brief demonstration later. It just causes a lot of white smoke. Perfect for airsoft. And then you got these really huge Roman candles. I can't wait till we shoot those off. And I will definitely display a lot of these later on tonight. Until next time, see you later.